Best AV receiver. If you're trying to get as close as possible to recreating a genuine movie theater experience at home, there's just no replacement for a good AV receiver. Think of it as the traffic cop of your audio-video system, routing video from your sources to your display and sending audio to your speakers. Some AV receivers do much more than that for a price. Which AV receiver is right for you depends on your needs, so we offer multiple recommendations for different situations. Number 5, Denon AVR-X6700H receiver. If you want to assemble a basic 5.1 channel surround sound system, or you already have a 5.1 channel system and need to upgrade to a receiver that supports 4K and high dynamic range (HDR) video, the Denon AVR-X6700H is a good option for 5.1 audio. This receiver is easy to set up and use, and it performs well. It has 5 HDMI inputs, more than other receivers in its price category, but it can stream music only over Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi platforms like AirPlay 2 and HEOS. Bottom line is, Denon AVR-X6700H is a cheap and simple to set up AV receiver suitable for 5.1 channel. If you already own a 5.1 setup, look no further and get a X6700H. You will be watching movies with much better audio than you previously had. Number 4, Sony STR-DH790. STR-DH790 is an A/B receiver with 7.2 channels of surround sound and 145 W, 6 ohms, 1 kHz, 1 CHTHD 0.9% of power output to bring your music or game audio to life in the best way possible. The main STR-DH790 features include an FM tuner, Dolby True HD, DTS-HD master audio decoding, multi-zone capability for audio output, multi-room capability for audio playback across zones. It also comes with a built-in Bluetooth receiver, which means you can connect your smartphone or another Bluetooth-enabled device to stream audio wirelessly. There are 4 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output, which means you can plug in multiple devices simultaneously. Besides, you can find 2 digital audio optical inputs, 1 coaxial input, 7 RCA inputs, 2 subwoofer outputs, and 1 3.5mm mini jack output. There are also 3 speaker posts and a power cord connector. All in all, it's a great AV receiver for folks that are big into good wireless setup. Number 3, Denon AVR-X3700H. Denon AVR-X3700H brings unprecedented realism to your 3D entertainment with cutting-edge surround sound reproduction at home. Offering the latest advancements in immersive audio, you'll feel like you're inside a blockbuster movie or live concert no matter what content you're enjoying on your television, from sports coverage to animated features and musicals, or a favorite sitcom series. Never before has it been easier for an audiophile home cinema enthusiast to experience high-quality audio along with striking visuals thanks to this AV receiver's 11.2 channel processing power and compatibility with Dolby Atmos height virtualization. Denon AVR-X3700H redefines your home theater experience with a high dynamic range. Dolby Atmos commands sound in motion to drive immersion for the most complete movie, TV, and gaming experience possible. Up to 9.2 channels deliver clarity, contrast, and color without neglecting power when you need it the most. Number 2, Marantz SR8015. The Marantz SR8015 is the perfect centerpiece for any 8K AV system, and it's certified by THX registered. Almost 2 decades ago to the day, Marantz delivered their very first 11.2 channel receiver to cinemas around the world. This cutting-edge receiver was their answer to the technological disruption of other industry competitors like Dolby and Pro Logic i9 at cinema theaters. In addition, you can also add at least 2 speakers to create a more realistic 3-dimensional sound via HEOS wireless technology. And since this model supports 24:192 resolution music files from CDs or even USB devices, you will be able to enjoy all your favorite songs in high quality without any loss in the quality of sounds coming out of these speakers. The Marantz SR8015 is a brilliant receiver that offers great features and also exceptional sound quality. It's incredibly easy to set up, which makes it really desirable if you're just getting started with an AV setup. Number 1, Denon AVR-X6700H. The Denon AVR-X6700H is the perfect receiver for serious home theater enthusiasts. It features 8K/60Hz pass-through, 4K/120Hz gaming mode, and advanced video processing for stunning image quality. With its 13.2-channel processing capabilities, you can build a speaker configuration that meets your unique entertainment needs. And with its lag-free gaming mode, you'll enjoy a smooth, immersive gaming experience with reduced lag and frame tearing. Connect with any HD/Ultra HD TV, Blu-ray player, or turntable for amazing audio quality. And with Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth connectivity, you can extend the reach of your music throughout your home. The Denon AVR-X6700H is very easy to set up thanks to its clear design. It works through a home Wi-Fi network, so you can easily manage it from your mobile phone or tablet if you wish. Denon AVR-X6700H is a powerful AV receiver that will enhance your home theater setup and unleash the true potential of your setup. If you liked any of the mentioned AV receiver and want to know about their pricing and specs, make sure to check the description box. You will find all the necessary links with up-to-date pricing down there. Leave a like to show us some support and subscribe for more informational videos.